In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Airtag not reachable on iPhone. So the first and the easiest method will be just simply trying to get closer to the Airtag, but assuming you have already done that and it didn't work, you have to go to your phone settings, iPhone settings, and then search for Bluetooth. Now, right here, you will just click on Bluetooth and you want to turn this off, wait for 5 seconds, and then you will turn this back on and this should reconnect your AirTag. Once you have done this, you will go back. We're going to delete Bluetooth and we are going to search for location, and you want to select location services. Now right here, again, you will turn off location services. It's going to ask us for verification, turn it off, and then wait 5 seconds, and again, you will turn this back on. Once you have done this, the last thing that you need to do is restart your phone. So at the top here, you will click on the power button and then restart it, and this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.